watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by this dusty pink rose bob wig. This is actually, I feel, pretty similar to this lavender one that I absolutely love. Two of my most favorite things when it comes to a wig are pink wigs and bob wigs. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this actually has a soft body wave as well. This is from a company called Formal Hair. Pretty cool. It actually comes in a box, which is a little bit different. It came with a little bag right here full of 2 combs and then a bonus band, an elastic band. So if you do want to sew this in to the wig cap for to help secure the wig on, like doing this, I've actually wanted to do this with a lot of my wigs. So that's pretty cool that it comes with that. And then it also does come with one wig cap right here. So you are ready, but I will be using a nude wig cap, which I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for that. But let's just look at this wig. I actually did not cut the lace off this wig yet. This is literally as is. So let's just take a look at this girl. She is 200% density, so she is a little heavy. She says 8 ounces, but I really feel like she's more than 8 ounces. She's also a 14-inch bob right here, but she's got these really great curls. I have not even brushed her out or anything. So this is how she is as is. As for the construction, I feel like a pretty typical style with the Amazon wigs as a 2.5-inch parting right here. This does have a light to medium colored lace right here. She has 2 combs right here on the side, 1 comb right here in the middle. She does not have a comb in the back with the fasteners. She has a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would be large head friendly. I'm actually gonna switch it up this time. And like I said, I did not cut off the lace, so I'm actually gonna put her on, then cut off the lace with you, just so you can kind of see how great that hairline is. I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. Okay, so here she is. So I'm just gonna whip her on. I put my wigs on front to back. I wanted to put this on with you so you can actually see how great the hairline is before I cut the lace off. We're gonna cut the lace off with some scissors. And voila! Just like that, all ready to go. This hairline is really so great without even touching it. I just am in love. If you feel like any of your wigs are a little shiny, my favorite way to do it is dusting a little bit of baby powder. Dry shampoo always works, of course. Sometimes what I notice with the Amazon wigs, just from them being shipped, that kind of on the top they're just a little crinkly. So I probably just like smooth this out with a flat iron or a curling iron, just to make it a little bit more smooth. But here we are down the center, very full and luxurious. I love this color. So let's just flip it around. So let's see what kind of look she gives. You know, if you're really looking for a va-va-voom look, that's pretty good. I like it. Can I do a severe part over? Let's take a little look. Oh yeah. Wow, this is pretty great, right? Okay, so let's move it to the other side. Ooh. Kind of like it more on this side. I do feel like she has minimal shedding, which is fantastic. And then also she is heat safe as well, up to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me do a little turn to turn. So I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I so appreciate each and every single one of you. I really do. Don't forget to reach out to me on Instagram and share with me photos of you and your wigs, because I want to know how fabulous you are in your wigs. So let me know if you have any wigs from this company, formal, and also if you actually have any really cool dusty pink rose colored wigs. I would love to see it, as pink wigs are my favorite wig color of all time. And of course, remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this dusty rose pink dream, wear it, love it, own it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.